Hello, what's up? So just want to make a very quick video about this problem I'm having with Windows desktop app in Figma. It doesn't work well with this Google font, Roboto Mono. It's missing a regular weight. As you can see here, when I select regular, it's actually giving me a bold, I guess. Yeah, it's actually giving me a bold weight font. And this has been pretty annoying because not only that I cannot get a regular weight, and when some other user is editing the file, for example, if another person is on the web app Chrome version and then they're editing this thing and say, oh, this is a regular, and or they want to like edit it and it suddenly change back to regular. Or if you have a Mac user on your team, for example this guy, he uses Mac, and then once that person start to edit, it will change the font back to regular. So how do we fix this? If we just simply uninstall the local font on the PC, then you will have no problem like accessing this regular weight. Let's just go to control panel, fonts, find Mono, Roboto Mono, and delete it. Yes. So now we're back in Figma, and we got the Roboto Mono deleted. Double click, ta-da! Back to regular weight. So if you having some this issue, so just try to delete the file and pray you will never use the font in, let's say, Illustrator or Photoshop, because you won't have no local font. Yeah, that's it. So I hope Figma can fix this as soon as possible. If you have any idea of how to solve this issue, just comment below and have fun designing. See ya.